basically, at least from the point of city of Ljubljana's view, is quite a tough challenge. What we've done for this challenge is we've prepared an API which contains 4 different sources.
In fact, 30% of total global emissions come from unsustainable transportation.
So we have people that have the rights to clean air, safe environment, efficient and fast mobility.
The solution we came up with was to make a map where you can plan your journey, where you can see several routes, bus routes, with all the stops that are on the way.
From the mobility, the 2 teams are Paula M4 and Weightless M5.